Welcome back to everyone. I'm Rohan Sharma, and today in this video we will learn about the three historic phases of capitalism and how they are different from each other. So let's start. If we talk about the definition of a capitalism, so capitalism is a type of economic system in which the businesses are owned and run for profit by individuals and not by the state. So this is the definition of a capitalism actually. And the capitalism has existed for over 700 years. So now we will discuss about the first epoch of capitalism, which was started in the 14th and 18th centuries, and it is also known as a mercantile capitalism. So according to Giovanni Arrighi, an Italian sociologist, he said that capitalism first emerged in its mercantile form during the 14th century. Now we will see what is the mercantile capitalism. So it was a system of trade developed by Italian traders who wished to increase their profit. Listen carefully, to increase their profit by Italian traders by evading the local markets. And this new system of trade was limited until growing European powers started to profit from long distance trade as they began the process of a colonial expansion. Now we will see the system of a middleman. In this system there was the huge rise of a middleman, because suppose that A produce raw materials, B is the middleman, and C is the producer of the final product. So A needs the help of B to sell its raw material to C. So this system was emerged during the mercantile capitalism. So the first epoch of capitalism was disrupted by those whose ability to accumulate the wealth was limited by the tight grasp of ruling monarchies and aristocracies. Now we will talk about the second epoch, which is known as a classical or competitive capitalism, which was started in the 19th century. So in this system there are two classes: bourgeoisie class, which own the means of production and rose to power within newly formed nation states, and a vast class of workers left rural lives to staff the factories that were now producing goods in a mechanized way. Now we will talk about the third epoch, which is most important, and it is also known as a Keynesian or New Deal capitalism. So in this era the state intervention was started and the economy was born, which characterized the third epoch of capitalism. And the goals of state intervention were to protect the national industries from the overseas competition, such as a competition between the USA and China, competition between the China, Brazil, competition between the China, India. So to overcome with this problem, the state intervention was started to protect national industries. Now the capitalism third epoch faltered in 1970s for several complex reasons, such as a bank failure. After that, after the 1970s, there was a new plan which is known as a neoliberal plan. After this and its enactment created the conditions for the globalization of capitalism and led into the fourth and current epoch of capitalism, which we see in today. And so thank you very much. If you like my video, please share and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.